This is a product that has no pesticide, therefore
Oh.
it's what we call FIFRA exempt, which generally regarded as safe. So that's a status given to certain products where they don't have to be registered for pest control because there are no pesticides involved. And that is the case with this product. The ingredients right here on the side tell the story. You've got primarily beeswax and agar. Those are both food additives, along with peppermint oil and citronella. And both of those components are natural deterrents for birds.
Okay.
The combination, the mixture, is all designed to reflect UV light at its maximum. And then, if the bird is in reclaiming mode and they actually challenge what they see and investigate, the smell and the stickiness is enough to cause them to abandon their nesting site.